Hi, welcome to 15918 Capri Drive in Jersey Village. This is hands down one of the most incredible listings I've ever had. It's a mid-century modern home on almost a half an acre with a swimming pool, but what really makes it unique is it actually has three sort of living areas. We have the main house, we have a guest house cottage, and we have a studio workshop. So on this corner lot, the main house is about 3,200 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms, the master's down, and 2.5 baths. Yes, it has lots and tons of updates to it. Then in 2005, the house, the owner actually built a guest quarters for her elderly parents. So the actually guest house is actually 750 square feet, and it is wheelchair and walker accessibility. So it has an elevated toilet. It has a walk-in shower specifically for her elderly parents is how it was designed. It's like a luxury hotel room. And then you have the studio workshop that also has a bath in it and a door leading to the 4-car driveway. The garage is a 4-car garage. 2 of the bays have been incorporated into the studio workshop at this time, but it could certainly be converted back if somebody needed the 4-car garage. So if this sounds like something of interest to you, or if you know of someone who this may be perfect for, especially as an extended family, or someone who is needing like live-in help, this may be the perfect house. So give me a call.